Endoplasmic reticulum. It is two types. Rough and smooth. Endoplasmic reticulums are actually interconnecting channels. And in rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are attached. These are ribosomes, the dotted things. These are ribosomes. Ribosomes are attached on their surface. And there is tube, this area is called the tube like the empty area. This is called cister. The function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is synthesis of protein. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is just like endoplasmic reticulum, but here on the surface, ribosomes are not attached. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for synthesis of lipid in all cells, but it had other functions which differs from cell to cell. As for example, in liver cell, that means in hepatocytes, it is responsible for detoxification. In the muscle cell, that means in myocyte, it is responsible for excitation, contraction mechanism. In gonadal cells, it is responsible for synthesis of steroid hormones. These are different other functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, but their common function is synthesis of lipid in all cells. Now we will discuss on another organelles. The Golgi complex. Complex. Golgi complex structure is like this. It has a cis phase, and trans phase. The main function of Golgi apparatus is packaging, concentration, and transmission of secretory product. These are the secretory products. This secretory products enters through this phase and it come out through trans phase. And within this inside of the Golgi complex, it is concentrated, it is packaged, and then it is transmitted outside the cell. So this main function of Golgi complex is packaging, concentration, and transmission of secretory products. Another function is it produces primary lysosome. It produces primary lysosome. It also synthesis carbohydrate. It also synthesis carbohydrate. Next, lysosome. Lysosomes are single membrane bound organelle. It's almost rounded or oval in structure, and inside it there are different types of enzymes present. And these enzymes, when any germ enters in our cell, it is destroyed by this enzyme. So, lysosome protects our body from the germs or bad elements which enters into the body from outside. Paroxysome. It is also like lysosome, but size is smaller than lysosome. And inside this, there is many oxidative enzymes present. One of these important oxidative enzyme is catalase. There are numerous oxidative enzymes, but most important is catalase. Is an important oxidative enzyme which is present in paroxysome. In our cells, when cells are functioning, some bad elements are produced, and if these bad elements accumulates in this cell day by day, it will damage the cell. So it must be demolished or it must be destroyed. And this is destroyed by these oxidative enzymes which is present in paroxysome. One very noxious agent present in the cell is hydrogen peroxide. And this hydrogen peroxide is breakdown by catalase, which is present in the paroxysome and breakdown and form water and oxygen. And these two are very useful for our cells or our body. So you see that from a very noxious agents, by breakdown of catalase form water and oxygen, which are very useful for our body. Thus, the paroxysome protects our cells from bad effects of the noxious agents. These are all for today, and next class we will discuss the rest of the part of the cell.